I have found a new beauty line that I am so in love with, and it is the KIMUSE, I'm not exactly sure how to say that, products that are for contouring, cheek, and highlight. I want to show you several of this. This is the liquid cheek blush, and I'm going to take it out and show you. Does it have a color? Yes, this one is called Desire, and I'm going to swatch this on my hand for you. Look at how cute that is. It's got this little bitty applicator like that, and watch, look at that. It is a liquid. Can y'all see? Nope, you gotta go right there. Look at how beautiful that is. That is the KIMUSE. That's called Desire. Let me also show you the liquid contour. They have the liquid contour as well. That is also beautiful. This color is truffle. I'm going to pull that up. And it comes in a little bit more of a doe foot, not like the other one, but look at that. Beautiful, beautiful colors that have great staying power. It also comes, I loved the Glow Dewy Liquid Highlighter. This is another product that I truly love just when I wanted to highlight my cheekbones and things such as that. I got one in Champagne and one in Natural Shine. This one is in Natural Shine, so let's take a look at it. It again has the doe foot, and y'all look right here. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? So just a nice subtle shine that you would get. Let's just kind of blend these in and see how they look. Look at how beautiful and pigmented that is. And the this truffle that you see right there, that's for your contouring, for wherever you want to contour. Honestly, I contour right here, and then this beautiful, I used the wrong finger, this beautiful glow right there that you can barely see. Let me kind of come up a little bit closer. That's a little bit better. Look at there. Aren't those beautiful? Wonderful pigmented colors. The line is KIMUSE. I will have everything in my Amazon storefront, so be sure to check it out. These are great products, and you will love to have them. Very easy to travel with. It's a nice compact size, but it does give you an awful lot of product in there. So I recommend these very highly. You don't get that kind of pigment with everything. So I hope you understand that. That makes it really, really good. So y'all pick up some of these KIMUSE Liquid Face Beauty, new products on the market. I think you'll love them. Add them to your cart today.